क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Question number 1. Let u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and set a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is equal to the set containing the element 3, 4, 5, 6. Find first part A dash, second part B dash, third part A union C whole dash, fourth part A union B dash, and fifth part the complement of A, and sixth part B minus C dash. Okay, so in solution A dash, first part A dash means U minus A, removing the elements containing in U which are of the element of A. तो U में से A के एलिमेंट्स को हटा देंगे. A में क्या है 1 2 3 4, तो U में से 1 2 3 4 को हटाएंगे तो क्या आएगा आपका 5 6 7 8 9. दिस इज A dash. Similarly, second part B dash is equal to removing the element of set B from U. B में क्या कहना है देखिए 2 4 6 8. तो 2 4 6 8 को जब रिमूव करेंगे 1 3 5 7 and 9. This is B dash. Now third part A union C dash. So first of all we will find A union C. Since A union C means taking all the element of A or C, A और C के सारे एलिमेंट हमको देख बनाने हैं. A में क्या है 1 2 3 4 और C में क्या है 3 4 5 6. Here it is the sign used union मतलब like LCM, यानी कि जो कॉमन है वो भी लेना है और जो A और C में बचा रह जाएगा उसको भी लेना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is A union C. So A union C complement is U minus A union C, and removing all the element of A union C from U में से A union C हटा दीजिए. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 हटा देंगे तो क्या बचेगा केवल 7 8 and 9. This is complement of A union C. This one was third part. Now fourth part is A union B complement. Now A union B is equal to the elements, the set made by using the element of A and B. A और B के एलिमेंट्स को लेके बनाना है. A 1 2 3 4, B 2 4 6 8. 1 2 3 4 6 8, यानी सारे एलिमेंट जो A और B में मौजूद हैं वो इसमें आ जाएंगे. A union B. So complement of A union B dash means complement of A union B U minus A union B. U में से A union घटाएंगे तो क्या क्या बचेगा आपके पास 5 7 9. U में से अगर A union B को हटा देंगे A union means 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 to 7 and 9. Now fifth part complement of complement Now fifth part, A dash whole dash, complement of A. So A dash is U minus A, removing all the element of A from U. So we get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And complement of A means U minus A dash. Means removing all the element of A dash from U. Again we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the set A. So this implies complement of A is equal to A. So A dash whole dash is equal to A. Now sixth part, B minus C whole dash means complement of B minus C. So in solution, now B minus C is equal to removing the element of C from B means 2, 4, 6, 8 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. It means we will get what element which are common both 4 and 6. So we have to remove 4 and 6. So remaining element of B are 2, 8. So B minus C is 2, 8. Now B minus C whole dash is equal to U minus B minus C. अब क्या करेंगे, U में से B माइनस C के एलिमेंट्स को हटाएंगे, 2 और 8 को हटा देंगे. ठीक है, U में से 2 और 8 को हटाएंगे तो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आपके क्या हैं, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. This is complement of B minus C. Now question 2. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement of the following set. Find the complement of the following sets. First part, A is equal to A, B, C. Second part, B is equal to D, E, F, G. And third part, C is equal to A, C, E, G. And fourth part, D is equal to F, G, H, A. Now, for every given set, we have to find their complements. So in solution, A dash means removing the element of A from U, U minus A is equal to A, B, C को हटा देंगे इसमें. So remaining element will be D, E, F, G, H. This is answer. Now second part, complement of B, U minus B. अब U में से B के एलिमेंट को हटा देना है, D, E, F, G हटा देंगे. क्या रह जाएगा, A, B, C. And complement of C dash is U minus C. A, C, E, G. A को हटाया, B, C को हटाया D, E को हटाया F and G को हटाया H. Remaining element of U are B, D, F, G. F, H after removing the element of C. So it is known as C dash. Now the fourth part is D dash. U minus D. Now we will remove the element of D from U. So remaining element will be, this is F, G, H, A. A को हटाना है तो B, then C, then D, then E, F, G, H remove कर दिया हमने ना. So remaining elements of U are, after removing the element of D, B, C, D and E. This is the answer. Now students, question number 3. Taking the set of natural number as the universal set, write down the complements of the following sets. Now in solution, first part, before writing the first part, I want to write the set of universal set. So here U is, it is saying the set of natural number is here universal set. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinite. Now since first part is X such that X is an even number. So let this is A. A is equal to X such that X even numbers, means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. है ना? So its complement A dash is U minus A, यानी U में से अगर even numbers हटा दिए जाए क्या बचेगा? Odd number बचेगा. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. कैसे लिखेंगे आप आंसर इसका? A dash equal to X such that X is an odd number where X belongs to natural number. यानी कि नेचुरल नंबर तो है लेकिन नेचुरल नंबर कैसा है? ऑड नंबर है. ओके. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट, X such that X is an odd number. Now in solution, let B is the set of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So its complement B dash is U minus B. अब इन सारे एलिमेंट्स को U में से हटा देंगे तो क्या बचेगा? सेट ऑफ और इवन नंबर 2, 4, 6, 8 and dot dot dot. It means B dash is equal to X such that X is an even number where X belongs to natural number. Even number तो है ना, नेचुरल नंबर है लेकिन वो कैसा नंबर है? इवन नंबर है. Now fourth part, X such that X is prime number, is a prime number, means that this is C is equal to the elements containing this set will be prime number. What is the prime number? The number which are divided by 1 or itself, means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and dot dot dot. Now C dash U minus C means removing all the elements of set C from U. You will get 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 dash. Means C dash is equal to X such that X is not prime, जो प्राइम नहीं है ना, and X belongs to natural number. X 3 and 5. Let this is E set. E में क्या क्या आ रहा है जो 3 से डिविजिबल है, यानी कि 3 और 5 से 3 और 5 दोनों से डिविजिबल, 3 और 5 दोनों से 15 से डिविजिबल होने वाले नंबर है ना, 3 and 5। तो 15 की नंबर चलानी पड़ेगी हमको, 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. Now E dash means x such that x is a natural number which is not divisible by 15। ऐसा क्यों लिखा हमने 15? क्योंकि यहाँ कह रहे थे कि 3 और 5 दोनों से डिविजिबल हो, तो दोनों से डिविजिबल वाले नंबर तो 5 के एलसीएम से डिवाइड होगा 15 से डिवाइड वाले, तो ई डैश क्या होगा, वो नंबर का कलेक्शन जो 15 से डिविजिबल नहीं है। ओके, नाउ eighth part, x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. Let this is that E is equal to x such that x plus 5 equal to 8. It means E is equal to, when you solve x plus 5 equal to 8, your answer will be x equal to 3. So E is 3 only one element is there in the set. So E dash is equal to u minus E. U में C को हटा देंगे, तो E dash is equal to x such that x does not equal to 3. Okay, and x belongs to natural number, where x belongs to natural number. Natural number तो है लेकिन वो 3 के इक्वल नहीं है। ओके, now ninth part, x such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Ninth solution, that this is f set x such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Means in this set, the value of x will be the solution of the given equation. So we will solve the equation first on other side. So we get 2x plus 5 equal to 9, means 2x equal to 9 minus 5. 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. So f is only one element, it is containing 2. So f dash is equal to u minus f, means x such that x does not equal to 2, where x belongs to natural number. Okay, now student, rest of the part of this question you will solve in your homework.